What exactly are you expecting from the new VW ID7, folks? There's a buzz in the air as we anticipate Volkswagen's newest addition to their electric lineup. The ID7 is sparking conversations and setting high expectations amongst car enthusiasts. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of Volkswagen's ambitious leap into the electric vehicle market, a move that's been a long time coming. So, what's the hype all about? Why all this excitement? Well, hold on to your seats because we're about to dive deep into the features of the ID7. Scene script. First up, let's take a look at the exterior of this machine. The VW ID7 is not just another electric car, it's a statement. Its sleek aerodynamic design instantly sets it apart from the crowd. The flowing lines and curves coupled with the sculpted bodywork give it a futuristic look while maintaining a sense of familiarity. It's like the designers took a classic Volkswagen and transported it into the future. The LED lights are a standout feature of the ID7. They're not just for show, they offer superior visibility, and are energy efficient too. The lights are integrated seamlessly into the car's design, giving the ID7 a distinctive, eye-catching look, especially when viewed from the front. The color options for the ID7 are as varied as they are vibrant. From a classic white to a bold red to a cool blue, there's a color for every personality. Each color option highlights the car's design elements in a unique way, making your ID7 truly your own. But the exterior of the ID7 is not just about aesthetics. Every feature, every curve, every line has been meticulously designed with functionality in mind. The aerodynamic shape doesn't just look good, it also reduces drag, improving the car's efficiency and performance. In the crowded field of electric cars, the VW ID7 stands out. It's not just a car, it's a piece of design brilliance. It's a testament to what can be achieved when style and functionality go hand in hand. So that's the exterior of the ID7, a perfect blend of style and functionality. Now, let's move on to the interior of the ID7. Stepping inside, you'll immediately notice the spaciousness. The ID7's interior offers ample room, ensuring a comfortable ride for all passengers. It's the kind of space that encourages long leisurely drives and road trips. Your eyes are then drawn to the high-tech dashboard. It's a marvel of modern technology, featuring a sleek and intuitive design that puts everything you need right at your fingertips. From navigation to entertainment, it's all there, seamlessly integrated into your driving experience. Let's not forget the seats, plush and comfortable, they're designed for those long drives. They cradle you in comfort, making even the longest journeys enjoyable. The boot space is generous, capable of accommodating your luggage for that weekend getaway or a shopping spree. And the materials used throughout the cabin? Top-notch, reflecting Volkswagen's commitment to quality. The interior of the ID7 is a testament to Volkswagen's commitment to comfort and luxury. Lastly, we'll talk about the heart of the ID7, its engine and performance. As an electric vehicle, the ID7 is powered by an impressive electric engine. This engine is not only silent but also delivers a power output that will leave you in awe. The efficiency of this electric engine is remarkable, allowing for extended range and fewer charging stops. The ID7 boasts swift acceleration, darting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. This is an exhilarating experience you'll want to relive over and over again. But it's not all about speed. The top speed of the ID7 is equally impressive, ensuring that you can keep up with or even surpass most vehicles on the highway. But what about handling? The ID7 has got you covered. Its low center of gravity, courtesy of the battery placement, gives it a stability that makes cornering a breeze. It handles like a dream, providing a smooth and controlled driving experience. The overall driving experience of the ID7 is nothing short of spectacular. It's responsive, agile, and delivers a ride quality that is both comfortable and exciting. The ID7 doesn't just drive, it glides, offering a seamless transition between speeds and an overall sense of control that is truly remarkable. In terms of performance, the ID7 is a powerhouse, proving that electric cars can indeed compete with their gas-guzzling counterparts. So that's the VW ID7 for you, a striking exterior that effortlessly marries aerodynamics with aesthetics. Step inside and you'll find an interior that's not just about comfort but a sensory experience. But it doesn't just look good and feel good, it performs. With an engine that delivers power without compromise, the ID7 is redefining performance in the electric car sector. The VW ID7 truly is a game changer in the world of electric cars. It's time to rethink what you expect from an electric car.